Hello, welcome to Ancient Civilizations. We've been working on this for now 15 school days. This is the 15th day. And today you're going to read about ancient Rome on Epic. And please write down new things that you've learned about ancient Rome. Maybe you want to know more about Roman gladiators. Maybe you think it'd be cool to know about the Colosseum in Rome. Maybe you want to know about Pompeii. There are lots of really interesting things to learn about ancient Rome. So you can go to Epic. Some of your teachers might have put an assignment for you to read about ancient Rome, and you can check that in your messages. Looks like a little envelope in Epic. Otherwise, just go to search and type in ancient Rome, and you will find out lots and lots about Rome. I can't wait for you to learn some exciting things. Have fun!